Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the basic example of Docker Compose file. So I wrote that file. So you can see here I added the version name, and after that the service and the application name. So it is a basic example of the Node.js and the Redis database. So I will show you how to connect the Redis database from one container and the Node.js application into another container. So how these two containers are connected to each other and how they can communicate. So the I just wrote down the container name here with the build, like the my app is, I have the two directories. So one is for the Redis and one is for the app. So you can see here the app directory is pointing to the Redis database. So with the open port is like the 300 3000, and this open port, this is the host port. The left side port is the host port and right side port is the container port. So it depends on the below container. So here is the below container, my Redis database container. I also put two environment variable, that is the Redis host and the Redis port. So also I wrote down the image for the Redis database and with the open port which contain the 6379, and the container port is also the 6379. So you can see here, this is my Docker Compose file. This is just a basic example. I am going to show you the app. I am going to show you the Node.js application. So here I wrote one Docker file. In the Docker file, I use the current Alpine 3.16 version for the build and production deployment. Also the work directory is like app. Also the I install some dependency which is required for the uh, uh, run our npm app. And after that I just initialize the app with the help of the basic command. So you can see here in my index.js file, i just uh, I just use the Redis package, HTTP package, and the Redis package. After that, I just create the connection for the Redis database with the help of Redis host, and the Redis port. After that, you can see here I set up the value for the framework is like React.js, and I get that value and print it on the our terminal. So I will show you how this code will working. So just go through our terminal and make sure you are in the right file. So I just use here the ls command for listing, and you can listing down all the files. So you can see here we have readme app docker compose.yaml and redis.js. So for that you just have to run one command is like docker compose build. So it will build our two images, uh, one for the Node.js application and one for the Redis application. So the build is completed. So we have to run these two images with the help of single command. So we have to just use docker compose up command for the running both containers. So you can see here my both containers are in running mode. So the if I go to the my web browser, so you can see here if I use the port 300 3000 and hit enter, then you can see here my application is running fine, and it is using the container in the Redis database. So that's the demo. I will also add the code of this code in my repository, and I will put the link in description so you can see the code as well. So please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.